Welcome to FinReport. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the platform step by step, from account setup and invoice upload to financial review and reporting. First, create your FinReport account using your email address, or register instantly with Google or SingPass for a faster onboarding experience. If you register using email, an OTP verification code will be sent to your inbox for confirmation. After verifying your email, you can select the option that best matches your company situation. New company for newly incorporated companies starting their accounting setup. Switching providers for companies currently using another accounting service. Dormant company for inactive companies with no business activity. And incorporate if you would like to register a new Singapore company together with accounting setup support from the beginning. You may also use live chat anytime if you need assistance during onboarding. Next, you may enter your company information manually or simply upload your BizFile ACRA document for instant autofill. Don't worry, these details can always be updated later in the settings section. Once completed, click Next Step to continue. After registration, you can make an early payment to secure the current pricing, or continue exploring the platform first. If you're a new company, simply upload your invoices to get started. If you are switching from another accounting provider, please upload your previous year's trial balance to support the migration process. After uploading the TB, if any accounts have not yet been mapped, please review and select the corresponding account categories. Once the mapping has been completed, click Commit to proceed. Once the registration and initial setup are completed, you're ready to begin using FinReport. Let's move on to uploading your invoices and documents. Once uploaded, FinReport will proceed with reviewing and categorizing your invoices in the background. There's no need to wait on the platform. Our AI system will process and organize the invoices within the next few hours. Please note that if some invoices are blurry image captures, low-quality scans, handwritten documents, or non-English invoices, the extracted information may not always be fully accurate. In these situations, we recommend reviewing the extracted figures carefully. You may also manually edit or adjust the extracted data directly on the platform whenever necessary. If the system detects any suspicious, potentially duplicated invoices or invoice sequence gaps, they may be flagged for additional manual review. After the invoices and trial balance have been uploaded, our expert accountant team will review and verify the information accordingly. If any clarification or additional information is required, our team will contact you for further assistance. Before each reporting or filing deadline, the expert accountant team will review and prepare the relevant reports accordingly. Once everything has been completed and verified, we will notify you through the platform or email. You may then proceed to generate and download the reports directly from FinReport. If you encounter any issues while using the platform, feel free to contact us anytime through live chat, support ticket, or simply by replying to our email support. You're all set to begin using FinReport. Spend less time on accounting and focus more on your business.